Today we stand at the crossroad of an enduring debate about the topic that does volunteering contribute to the personal growth. Honorable Judge, I am completely in the favor of the motion that yes, volunteering leads to personal growth. I would like to put forth a question. Have you ever felt bad after giving any kind of charity or doing any kind of help while giving any kind of amount of money or food to any poor person? You get a sense of satisfaction and emotional sense of security when you do that. That's the major advantage of volunteering. I would like to ask you that whenever, I would like to put forth one example, a very own example present over here of Zubairi Welfare Society. They work as volunteers, they do charitable work, they organize camps. So what is the major benefit they get from it? A sense of emotional security, a sense of satisfaction, and a sense of personality development, and a sense of esteem. I would like to put forth the research study which states that according to the Wisconsin longitudinal study that found that volunteering actually contributes to the lower anxiety, lower stress level, and better confidence in personality. Even in the religious scriptures in Quran, in chapter 3 and verse number 92, it says that you cannot attain righteousness until you give what you have. And volunteering is all about giving what you possess. When we say that, like my very worthy opponents might say, volunteering doesn't give you anything back in terms of monetary return, then I would tell you that it builds a kind of personality, a kind of skills that help you to attain much more than that. Apart from this, it's not just about emotional sense of security, but also the development of practical and social skills. You meet large number of people, you develop that social sense of security, you develop the social skills within the society. Apart from that, I would also say that it also helps you to develop a kind of personality that can survive in any kind of situation. When you meet large number of people, you develop a kind of emotional well-being. You also develop a kind of personality that can survive everywhere. I would like to ask all the members of Zubairi Welfare Society over here, whenever you go out and you do such kind of work, doesn't it help you to brush up your skills? You develop leadership skills, you develop communication skills, you lead people as group, you lead people as leader. That's the development of major skills. And Honorable Judge, I would like to conclude my point by saying that in the quiet act of giving, I delivered the essence of my own soul. Each hour shared a seed sprouting into a beautiful hope. And in this act of giving, I nourished my personality. I made myself in a kind of soul that will aspire to give more. Thank you so much.